Hello viewers and welcome to Harare, Zimbabwe. So today we are at Harare Kopje. Harare Kopje is one of the most beautiful monuments in Zimbabwe. It's the only place in Zimbabwe where you can see the whole of Harare CBD while you are standing on the same place. You don't need to be in a plane to see Harare CBD. So it's one of the most beautiful monuments that was built during the colonial era. But one debate now that was there during the colonial era is they never really constructed this place because they had it in mind the question of what exactly should be constructed on this beautiful site. Some were saying no, the state house should be here, and some were saying the parliament should be here. So why don't you just follow me and I will show you the beauty of Harare Kopje and how you can see the whole of Harare CBD at the same time. This is beautiful. What a sight. Very hot, very beautiful. So I think this is an old wind vane or something of some sort. Then this is the flagpole. Alright, so this is the CBD. So let me just zoom in. So this is the ZB Bank, the main bank in Zimbabwe, and here is the joiner seat complex, the most beautiful complex in the city. And there's the tallest building in Harare. They call the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, the tallest building of them all. And to the far is the ZANU-PF headquarters. So this is Harare CBD 2019 November. As you can see, the city is quiet, people doing business, vendors and all the sort. Then this place is called the downtown. The downtown. So this is where things are cheap. Life is a bit slow and backward compared to the main city and everything. Then moving on. So these are the industries. Most of them have closed, so we can call them old industries. That's where they make cloth, cardboards, and many other different things. So I hope you can see this part. That tower, let's just zoom it a bit. That's the National Heroes Acre. That pointed tower there between the mountains, that's the National Heroes Acre. And that's the National Sports Stadium. So basically you can see that it's easy to know and see the whole Harare CBD from one point, the Kopje. Thank you for joining us. To meet again.